You came in. Clea.
Look at these more cookies.
Clea, who gave that to you?
Nana.
Yeah, wasn't that nice of her? Did you make her a card? Do you want to give her the card that you made for her?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Where is this?
Show her the card you made for her. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, look, Leona.
What does it say? It
Look, Nana.
says, welcome, Leona.
Show mommy now, Clea.
Aw, that's so pretty.
Should we read what you wrote? You said, I'm going to teach Leona how to play with Willow and Bailey. Huh?
Oh, no.
No?
Leave it there? Okay, we'll read it to her. We'll read it to her later.